Hello traders. This video explores a trading platform. Let's experience a universe of possibilities with Nortenway, where the fusion of innovation and intelligence reshapes your trading journey. Immerse yourself in a platform infused with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, empowering you to navigate the financial landscape with precision and confidence. Harness the power of advanced algorithms to analyze market trends, identify lucrative opportunities, and execute trades with unparalleled efficiency. With Nortenway, you have the tools and insights to make informed decisions and capitalize on lucrative deals like never before. Let our platform be your gateway to success in the dynamic world of trading, where every decision is guided by data-driven intelligence and strategic foresight. Join us as we revolutionize the way you trade and unlock new horizons of financial growth and prosperity. At Nortenway, safeguarding your security and privacy is not just a priority, it's our foundational principle. We recognize the paramount importance of protecting your sensitive information in the dynamic realm of trading. Rest assured, every detail, from your personal data to transaction history, undergoes meticulous encryption and is securely stored within our database. Your peace of mind is paramount to us as you navigate the complexities of the financial markets. We understand the inherent concerns associated with trading, which is why we've implemented robust security measures to ensure that your information remains confidential and protected against unauthorized access. With Nortenway, you can trade with confidence, knowing that your privacy is safeguarded at every step of your trading journey. Trust us to provide a secure platform where you can focus on making informed decisions and pursuing your financial goals without worrying about the safety of your data. For those seeking guidance and expertise, our Trading Academy is at your service. Our professional staff stands ready to assist you with your trading operations, providing valuable insights and strategies to help you navigate the markets with confidence. Gain a competitive edge with our advanced technical charts and analysis tools. Stay ahead of market trends, identify lucrative opportunities, and make informed decisions backed by comprehensive data and analysis. At Nortenway, we believe in investing in a bright future. That's why we are authorized and regulated under the European Financial Security, ensuring compliance and trustworthiness, with reference number HE845161. Your financial security and success are our top priorities. Discover the Nortenway difference today. Join us as we revolutionize the way you trade, invest, and succeed in the dynamic world of finance. Sign in or sign up to embark on your journey to financial freedom with Nortenway. Contact us to learn more about our services, account plans, and how we can help you achieve your financial goals. Your success is our success, and we're committed to guiding you every step of the way. Nortenway, empowering you to unlock your full potential and achieve financial success. Start your journey with us today. Happy trading!